That would be Andrea's cat. And here's Megan.
They're all like comfy and like sleeping, and then all of a sudden
I want to see it do it again. Oh, it's attacking something else now. It was attacking Megan before. It was really funny. Where'd it go? Oh, there he is. Hi, kitty. Oh, you can't zoom in with this thing. Hey. Look, here it goes. Ready? Attack! Go! Oh, jeez. It's like building up towards this fence. Now it's not gonna do it.
It tried to.
It's camera shy. Wait, I'm waiting for it. It's like eating something.
Probably eating
parts of the sleeping bag. Oh, now it's just being boring. Oh, this is no point in this video. Whatever. Goodbye.